Hey everybody, it's Jay from Video Geek Squad, your go-to for incredible deals on business software. Today I'm going to be exploring Genius AI. It's a platform designed to boost your social media presence by creating content tailored to your brand's voice. If you're struggling to make an impact as an influencer or a marketer, or you're just kind of looking to grow your business organically, Genius AI is really perfect for social media sellers. If you're an affiliate marketer, if you're an influencer, if you're really trying to get your brand and increase all of your sales on your social media. Now, here's how it works. Genius AI learns all about you and your products to generate content and sales pitches that are going to capture your unique selling point, your USP. You're going to be able to target your audience, your competitors, and a whole lot more. Now, here's how it works. You just start by taking a short personality test so that the AI can understand your goals, your values, and your communication style. Because everybody sort of communicates differently. And so you want to make sure that you're sort of, capturing your brand's essence. Next, you just simply train the AI with your product catalog by clicking new product and adding the URLs and images. The AI will then gather all the necessary information about your offerings with this data. Genius AI creates the content calendar full of product tips, brand stories, and selling strategies. I'll be honest with you, that's the number one reason why I purchased this product. I want to be able to put a link in, push a button, and for it to sort of generate some stuff that I've already generated from my websites and web pages, which is making it really, really simple. And you guys will be able to see that in the upcoming, demo. So it's no need for you to worry about writing the copy. All you do is click generate on any idea. Genius AI will then produce 6 different post suggestions. Once you find the perfect one, you just click use this idea and the AI will craft a custom script for you. Now, if you're really looking to get the best deal on this, you probably want to upgrade it to tier 2. That way you can train the AI on 10 different products and you can receive 40 AI generated reels each month, along with 50 images daily. So tier 3 unlocks an unlimited amount of products for you, 100 reels per month, and unlimited images every single day. So it's pretty decent as far as that product's concerned. So once you're happy with your script, all you have to do is just record. You can use a teleprompter, click generate AI video. After filling out the description, the short form AI video creator will deliver a video content for you in a couple of seconds. You can also generate AI images or upload your own in no time. So you'll have content ready for your social media that you can schedule or publish immediately. So it's going to cut down on the workflow, and you guys know how big I am on workflow. So whether you're an influencer, a network marketer, an affiliate, this platform has everything that you need to sort of really, gain the advantage on what you're doing. So we want to spotlight. And if you want to spotlight a product, all you do is grab the product based idea and let Genius AI highlight all of the unique selling points. And, with this angle discovery feature, all you need, is to use that, and it'll even help you with brainstorming ideas. And you can use the co-pilot to ask like strategic questions about your marketing product or brand. So Genius AI understands your voice and your brand. So it's going to help you sort of deliver exactly what it is that you need in order for you to grow your brand. Plus, with the built-in social media analytics, you'll know exactly what's working. Now, the content automation is crucial for scaling your business and growing organically. So that's definitely a part of the deal. Now, I want you guys to see here, this is a brand new product, so it hasn't had any reviews yet. So I'm sort of getting this out to you guys so you guys can be the first ones to take a look at this. Now, if you scroll down to the bottom, of course, you guys will be able to see these are your tiers. You have a license tier 1 coming in at $59. You're going to be able to train AI Genius on 2 products. You'll be able to get 10 AI reels per month or 10 image generations per day. License tier 2, it's $139. You get 10 products, 40 AI reels a month, 50 image generations, plus you'll get an autoresponder, trending spy tool. So you get a whole lot more stuff. Plus you even get a CRM. If you don't know what a CRM is, that's a customer relations management system. Now on tier 3 is $299. You're going to be able to get unlimited products, 100 AI reels, unlimited image generations, autoresponder, personalized image in painting. So sort of the same stuff here. And then you're going to also get your CRM as well. Now let's go ahead and let me take you into the software, and that way I can show you guys exactly what I was able to discover and what I was able to see with this product. All right, guys, now here's the deal. When you first get ready to use this product, you're going to go through the personality test and they're going to ask you several different things about your product and your service. Now, I want to be in full transparency, let you guys know this is a very robust program. Now, it's going to take you a little bit of time as far as the learning curve is concerned. Now, if you guys know, if you're a part of my YouTube mastery course, or if you're a part of any of my classes, I sort of teach you guys how to use Sunday as your learning day. And that's the day where you sort of focus in on one product or one service and you sort of try to master that particular product, and you spend the time, in the product for maybe a couple hours, and you just learn how to master it, and that's what you're doing. So once you go through the personality test, you're going to come to this particular screen. Now, you will notice at the top of the screen it has my name on it. Then it says you've got a couple of tabs here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 tabs here. So you got this, my products, my social, and the CRM. The CRM is your customer relations manager. So if you're going to, input all your names, addresses, and all your information, you can do that from here. Okay. Now, when you come to the Genius part of this, you'll see some tabs over here. And some of these are, I guess you can say, sort of duplicate entry points where you can get to certain things at a certain point in time. And I sort of played around with this yesterday, and I wanted to make sure that I was able to sort of get it to you guys as soon as I could. So here's the deal. So you've got this hub here, and it says Marcella Social Hub. Now, your social hub is also here, my social. So if you click on my social and social hub, it's essentially the same thing, except if you click on the my social, it's going to bring you completely into that tab, and all of this stuff is going to go away. So if you click on my social, you're going to be able to create all sorts of stuff. Like if you didn't notice it, it changed to create a quick reel about, and then you can create it. Okay. And so you can do that. Now, I've already hooked up my Facebook account. Now, I will also let you know that when you're first starting out with this is primarily for Facebook and Instagram, as well as LinkedIn. So there's no Twitter, there's no, or X, as we would say. So those other social media programs are not necessarily integrated as of yet. Okay. So here's what you're going to do. You can look at all of this. This is your co-pilot. I also want to tell you about this. These are some of the features that are not available on the AppSumo plan. Okay. There are some stuff here that you will probably want that is not going to be available in that plan. And I just want to, in full transparency, to let you know that. Now, you're going to get some stuff, but not everything. And according to this, the Genius AI Pro subscription is $100 a month, or you can save $289 a year if you get that. Okay. So you're going to have some limitations as far as that's concerned with the Copilot. Now, you can do heartbeat. And that's pretty much the same thing when it comes to the Copilot. Now, you can get post ideas. Your post ideas is where you can build your brand. Now, you will see each one of these tabs has additional tabs. You can suggest winning trends. You can have it to write posts about you personally. You can write posts to help others, video ideas about yourself, or video ideas to help others. So this is how you're going to build your brand. So it's going to sort of walk you through the process of building the brand. Then if you want to post about your product, you tell it you want to post a product about this. You want to recreate similar viral product posts, post stories and shorts, product questions to riff on, share an offer, and lead a Bible angle. So if you're going to do something biblical, I think you can even do that. So, I mean, it has different sorts of options here for you. So that's how you build your brand or you post your product. Then you can talk to people. So it's going to help you sort of engage and to do the things that you need to do to sort of build your brand. So you can engage with your comments. You can respond to DMs. You can get help from the Copilot. Okay. So you can do all of those things from there. All right. Now, when we talk about business and marketing tools, you can understand your audience. You get an e-com page, copy, and marketing materials. So all of this is to help you sort of build your brand. Now, you also have some trending videos. You can click on trending videos here. And it will also give you options for that as well. You can go into the studio. The studio is what's going to house all of your videos and your your pictures. So all your pictures are going to be here as well. Now the showcase button is brand new to me. Um, this is where you can sort of showcase certain things and I guess build from that. And so you can have all sorts of social media posts and things that you can post on your channel. And a lot of these pictures, if you look at them, are really, really nice. So that's pretty cool. So you can showcase that and you can have your saved ideas and your shared ideas here. Okay. So that's the rundown. Of course, you can get all of your personal information over here in the corner. We're not going to open that up, but let's go into the My Products really quick. I just want to show you guys this really quick. I added a product yesterday, which was my YouTube workflow product that I sort of teach people how to do this. And if you click on this, let's see if it's going to let me. Let's open it. All right. If you open this up, what this actually does is it creates a whole line of stuff using the website and the stuff that I've already put in here. Now, one thing I will tell you, you'll want to go back and make sure that the spelling is correct because yesterday workflow wasn't spelled properly. And I noticed that sort of affected some of the other stuff. Okay. Now, once you put a product in here, you will see that all of these other things will open up for you. Okay. So if you go to Social Hub, you will see you can use these sort of things to already, start to write stuff. And it's going to be based upon the product that you're talking about. Because if you see here, it says YouTube workflow up here. So all of the stuff that's going to be created in here is going to be based on that because I clicked on the product and we put this product in here. Now, I wanted to show you because I did some posts yesterday. I don't know if it's still here. Okay, so here's what happens. Once you put the product here and you post about the product, you can then talk about the problem with YouTube workflow or something like that. And you press this button, this play button. And what's going to happen is it's going to generate posts that you can post about. And it will, pretty much help you, get an understanding to people about the problem. It says, how can you simplify your YouTube workflow? Creating YouTube content can feel like juggling without a rhythm. YouTube workflow helps by streamlining your process, letting you focus on creativity instead of chaos. With structured tools, managing video files and maintaining a schedule becomes a breeze. So it took the information for my product and it created all of these posting ideas. Okay. Now you can generate a reel or a story from here. So you would just simply go into that particular workflow and that's how you would be able to do that. Okay. So you can actually hit up on all of these trigger points. You can talk about the emotional aspect of it, the root cause of problems. You can introduce the product. You could talk about how it works. So this is going to give you a lot of options. When I tell you guys this thing is really robust as far as helping you with your products is concerned, it really is. All right, you can recreate similar viral product posts. So if you click on this, you can click on this button and it will also do the same thing. All right, so you could talk about educational. We'll just click on this right now. And what it's going to do is it's going to show you some other educational resources, and it's going to give you some ideas as far as what you could do as far as products are concerned. And if you like a particular option here, you can click on the remix button and it's going to take this and you can remix what you have seen and you can use that and put that into your own personal brand and so forth. So it's going to help you find other trends and other things that were really, really huge on social media. So that's pretty cool as well. All right. So you can do product questions. You can share your offer. You can talk to the people who've responded. You can look for trending videos. And what's going to happen with trending videos, it's going to take all of the keywords that it found in the product and it's going to go out and it's going to look for trending keywords and for trending videos out there for you, so that way you guys can actually see that as well. So it's going to give you guys a lot of options there as far as that's concerned. The studio does the very same thing. When you first log into this can seem to be overwhelming at first, but when you actually learn where everything is, it's going to make it really, really simple for you, because for each time you come in here, all you're going to be doing is either creating adding a product and using that product to market it, or you're going to be creating some social media posts and so forth. So let's say if you clicked on the arrow and you wanted to get out of the product, you would just click on Genius AI, and you're pretty much going back to the Genius part of the product. So you would simply come back up here, and you're at Genius AI. You're no longer focused in on the product, because I changed the product in the upper box here. So you're just focusing back in on generic stuff. Okay. So when you go into the social tab, this is where you're going to add in all of your social media connections. You're going to connect your Instagram. Notice I don't have an Instagram here. The only thing I have here connected right now is my Facebook. So the only thing that's connected at this particular point. Now you can also have your social media calendar here as well. So you can have a calendar here, and it's going to give you some dashboard analytics. It'll tell you your total likes, total comments, total shares, if you've got any sort of DMs. If you're producing any other thing, you'll have that for yourself as well. Now, keep in mind, when you're creating social media posts, the whole purpose of this is for you to be able to sell your products and brand on social media. So you notice there's nothing in this box. But if I click on, let's say we're going to select, we'll select this particular one. And so when you create something here, let's see here, I'm going to put this here. All right. Now, this is my profile feed. And this is what's on my profile feed, and it's going to show you what you've posted and the dates that you've posted it and all that good stuff. So it's going to give you all of that stuff, so you'll have it on there already. Okay. And if you want to have your calendar, it'll pull up your calendar for you. So, it'll pull that up so you can actually start to see your social media that's scheduled out for this as well, which is really cool too. If you're the kind of person who tries to be as organized as I do, then you'll know where you stand as far as that is concerned as well. Now, keep in mind, when you're creating social media posts, the purpose of the social media posts is for you to focus in on your products, right? So all of your social media posts in regards to this software should be about your products and increasing organic sales to your products. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to go to my products, and you're going to set up a new product. Now, what I want to do here is I want to take you guys through the process. I'm just going to show you really quickly how easy it is to set up a new product, and I'm going to show you what you do when it comes to that. So just give me 1 second. All right, so here's what we're going to do. Here's the product. It's called YouTube Fast Start. And this is where I kind of explain to people how to start off on YouTube and do all the basic stuff for YouTube. This course is about an hour long. So this little class is only about an hour long. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the link here, and we're going to actually build out the product from here. All right, so I'm doing this in real time so you guys can see this. So we're going to click on new product. And if you notice here, it says, how do you want to teach the AI about the product? Now, this is the more in-depth. This is the quickest way. I will provide to the AI through copy pasting the description and testimonials about the product for the AI to learn. This is ideal if you do not have traditional marketing material, but only text snippets to copy and paste. But if you already have a product, you can do this a little bit differently. Okay. You can simply post in the website, and I just put the link to the product here, right? And what you're going to do also is you can upload your picture of the product and put that in there as well. All right, now what you're going to do is, of course, it says what type of product do you want to sell? You can put on here, I think I put course, and this wasn't an option in the beginning. I had to add that in there. So that's something you're going to have to add when you're first setting it up. Okay. So then it's going to ask you for a photograph of the particular product. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag and drop the picture that I want to use. Okay. And it's going to take this picture, upload it, and it's going to put the product picture on there. Now, here's the deal. It says for optimal results, be sure to include detailed information on the product opportunity, along with refund, return, shipping policy, all of that stuff. All of that stuff is actually located on the website. So we're just going to see this actually save this particular product. So you click on save, and now it's going to add this particular product. So now the AI is going to go out and it's going to learn about the product, and it's going to create and have the ability for us to create all sorts of social media postings for this particular product. And this is one of the ways, and here's how I think this is going to really help those of us who use social media to sell our products. If you're able to have the AI to sort of cut down on your workflow, this is just going to give you the ability to do things a lot faster so you don't have to waste as much time. Okay. So that's the key to this. So you're going to open this up. Now it's done, right? So it took the core sales pitch. The product is YouTube Fast Start. It's going to give you some demographics. The ideal audience for this includes building YouTubers and established creators. So you're going to go through this. They're going to talk about pain points. How can it assist us? All of this, how it surpasses the competition. Life changes, all sorts of things. Because keep in mind, the whole idea of this is for you to be able to do post and get ideas. So here's the thing. So you come over here and you're going to click on this. Okay. So let's just say you want to share your offer. Let's click on share offer. So you want to offer detailed offer posts. So you're going to click on this. And what this is going to actually do is it's going to go out and it's going to create the post for you. Now, it's going to give you some ideas as far as what picture you want to put. But look at what it says. What if your YouTube journey had a roadmap? Feeling overwhelmed by the idea of starting a YouTube channel? Imagine if you had a clear blueprint guiding your every step. That's what YouTube Fast Start offers. With 6 structured steps, you'll move from setup to optimization seamlessly. Plus, insider growth hacks will ensure. So it already went out and wrote the post. Okay. So here's what you can do now. You can turn this into an email, blog post, Facebook post, Instagram post, concise posts, sort of like Twitter, LinkedIn posts. You can write a video YouTube script. You can create an Instagram reel or TikTok script. You can create some hashtags. So every individual little thing as it relates to posting for your business and your products is already listed here for you. And this is the idea to help you move faster, right? Because the idea here is to help you move quick. That's the whole idea. All right, so here's the idea, guys. You want to make sure that you run over to AppSumo, grab this now while it is available. It's available starting at $59. I'm going to tell you, more than likely, you're going to fall in the license tier 2 because you want to put at least 10 products, right? You want to have 10 of the products that you mostly want to sell, right? And then you want to make sure that you're able to create these reels and 50 images per day. Now, my thing with you guys is to make sure that you're trying and you're going out and you're using it within your first 30 days. So you don't just purchase it, you go out and you try to generate some sales off of it. And then if it works for you, then you might want to upgrade to the $2.99 deal here. So that way you can make a little bit more money as far as your products are concerned. Now, I need for you guys to leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you guys want me to go into a longer tutorial on this, because I don't mind. I'm thinking that we might want to do a live session of this and sort of go through some things and work out some kinks, and we can ask questions of each other and try to figure some stuff out. Over here, guys, we work together. All right. So I'm going to put some other stuff in my community. So make sure that you guys follow the links that are down in the description. Purchase it from this particular link, guys. Hit the link down below. And I look forward to serving you guys in the very next video.